Have you ever met a couple that said, "We're healthy, so we don't really need life insurance yet"? I recently thought about a situation that's more common than people realize. Imagine a married couple in their early 30s. They both work, they recently bought a home, and they're planning for the future. They have good jobs, they're healthy, and life is going well because everything seems fine. They keep putting off getting life insurance. Then one day, the unexpected happens. Now, one spouse is left trying to figure out how to pay the mortgage, cover monthly bills, and keep life as normal as possible. On top of the emotional loss, they're suddenly facing financial stress they never planned for. It doesn't have to be that way. Here's a simple process I encourage every married couple to follow. Step 1, have the conversation. Don't assume your spouse knows what you'd want or that you're both on the same page. Talk about your financial goals, your debts, your children if you have them, and how you'd want your family protected. Step 2, figure out how much protection you actually need. This isn't about picking a random number. Think about your mortgage, monthly expenses, childcare, future education costs, and any income your family would lose if something happened to you. Step 3, compare your options. Many people think they have to choose the first policy they're offered. You don't. Different insurance companies have different prices, underwriting guidelines, and products. Comparing options can make a big difference. Step 4, put a plan in place. The best life insurance policy is the one that's in force before your family ever needs it. Waiting until later can mean fewer options, higher premiums, or unexpected health issues that make coverage harder to get. The truth is, life insurance isn't really about expecting something bad to happen. It's about loving your family enough to prepare for the unexpected. The couples who tell me they're doing everything right are often surprised to learn there are still gaps in their financial protection. That's why reviewing your coverage is so important. You don't have to figure it all out on your own. As an independent life insurance broker, I work with multiple insurance companies to help married couples find coverage that fits their family's needs and their budget. If you're ready to protect the people you love, comment family below, and let's start the conversation today.